Hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. As we are heading into a new trading week, the price isn't giving us any surprises here at the moment. No, it rather is unfolding as planned. Remember, in the previous video, I made it only earlier today, we talked about that in both cases, the blue count, which is more bullish, and the yellow count, we were watching for lower prices in basically either wave 3 in yellow or wave C or B in blue. And the idea was, okay, let's see how the price then reacts to those to that key area down here, because there is an invalidation point for the blue scenario, which was down here at 3,355, and the yellow the target area for the yellow scenario, for the yellow third wave, which should still actually be followed by a wave 4 and 5, that's between 3,380 and 3,333. And I would prefer the price to reach at least 3,362, which is the 138% extension of the wave 1 to the downside. Actually, I just realized, well, now we leave it where it is, because it could be that, yeah, we leave it where it is for now. We leave it where it is. It could even be that it's going a little bit lower, but I'm not entirely sure, because this micro is a bit messy where exactly to put the wave 1. Could be that this is all of wave 1, or the wave 1 was here and this is some kind of a flat structure. We'll leave it where it is, as previously communicated. And that's always interesting when both scenarios point into the same direction, at least temporarily. And now, obviously, if we are in the blue count, the price should avoid, or has to avoid, a break below that invalidation line here. But if you watched the videos over the last few days, then you will know, and I also published it in one of our recent signals for gold members, that I'm, let's say, leaning towards the yellow count until we get an upside break out of this range here. And that would minimally require a break above the nearest resistance level here at 3,586. And then better would be a break above the green line here, these previous swing highs, structural resistance. For me, that's the upper boundary line of this, let's say, the price range here. And that's at 3,650. So yellow count is preferred. That means we would like to see a wave 3 to complete, then a wave 4 and a wave 5. We'll see if it does the 4-5, because this could actually turn into some kind of a weird triangle. But let's see. I would like to see the price go a little bit lower if this is the yellow count, okay? A little bit lower. There should be really good support around the 50% retracement here, which is, you could say, an overlap, or it's overlapping with the 1.618 extension here around 3,335, right? So if the price gets there, it could find some support, and then I can give you a resistance area for wave 4. It's a bit too early to give you resistance right now, because the third wave isn't even finished. But, well, I could give you a resistance area. Let me add another one, because this one was definitely respected. So I will give you one, but it will have to be adjusted with the price. So the nearest resistance, what is normally relevant for a wave 4 in yellow. So basically it means if the price breaks above it, it is too large for a reliable fourth wave. So the nearest resistance area is between 3,440 and 3,476. So any break above 3,476 could indicate, not confirm, but indicate that we're actually moving up in wave C in the blue count, in the bullish count. So we have a scenario which is more bearish, yellow. We have one which was also bearish, but now it could turn around here. That's the blue count. And important is now to understand what's the pivot in between. And that's the 3,476 level. So as long as we stay below that, further downside is expected in waves 4 and 5. I personally find the yellow count a little bit more likely, but we'll see how it develops. I mean, that's my opinion, but you have to detach my opinion from the objective analysis and the levels that it provides. I hope that helps. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.